Welcome to my channel Saqib Tech. I hope all of you are doing great. This is Mohammed Saqib and you are learning Python programming language. Our today's agenda is to learn set. So basically set is another data structure like dictionary and list, and the fourth one is tuple. So right now we have learned dictionary and list. So I hope you have practiced that and you are ready to learn sets. So what are the sets? Sets are also a data structure to store multiple values like dictionary or list. It is also one of the 4 built-in data type in Python. Like there is a built-in data type set and dictionary. Similarly, there is a set. Okay, so let's look at main difference. The main difference of set from other data type is that it's a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. What does it mean? It means that set are not changeable, set are not in any order. Okay, like a list, we can access value using 0, 1, 2, 3 index. Okay, but there is no index or order in the set. So let's look how to create it. Set are written in a curly bracket like we have created dictionaries, but dictionaries we used key value pair, and that was also some kind of ordered. Okay, but here in set we can create it using curly brackets by just separating with the comma. So what is the difference of the main difference of the set is that we can't access it using index, and another thing there is data is unordered data. Okay, so they are unordered. The item that in the set do not have a defined order. So set item can appear in a different order every time you use them and can't be referred by any index or a key. And the most important value, let's look at that. Set do not allow duplicate values. So that is the main reason of using sets. When we don't need duplication in our values, we prefer to use set. So here duplicates are not allowed. What does it mean? For example, I am creating a set with apple, banana, cherry, and again I have written apple. So if this is a set, this is in a curly bracket. So what it will do, it will ignore apple. Okay, it will just display apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, so like if there was a list, it will not ignore, but here is a set. If a user have entered another value in duplication, the program will not consider it. Okay, so set item are not duplicatable. So another thing, unchangeable. So since once a set is created, you can't change it item, but of course you can remove item and add new items. How to get length of set? Similarly, the length function like we used in other data structure. So length function is used to print length of any data structure. That's a simple. Yeah, Python sets item, we can have different data types, like we can have string, we can have integer, and we can have boolean true false. Okay, and another thing, we can have mixed data structure also. Okay, like string and number, we can have different mixture. Like this, you can see a set can contain different data type, like set 1 is equal to abc 34 true and so on. So these are the some way and some basic knowledge about set. I hope you understand. The basic concept of set is that it is not changeable, it is not ordered, and it can't have duplicate value. That is the main feature of sets. So we have learned how to create a set and what can be data type of the set, and we understand the basic concept behind sets. Now look at what is the set constructor mean. One method to create set is simple, using the brackets and writing value, and second method is using set constructor. We can use set method to create a set. For example, I want to create set. I need to write the name of set, then equal to then set function, and inside that function I write different values separated by comma. But note, when we are creating set, you must have to put double square, a double round bracket. Okay, round bracket 2 times, opening 2 times and closing 2 times. Okay, this is important. This is another method to create set. So The question is how to access set atom, because they are not indexed. Okay, we can't access using 0 1 2 3 keys, okay, or any three other thing, because this is not indexed. Okay, so how to access it? The answer is really very simple. You can't access in a set by referencing an index or a key, but yeah, you can access the atom of set using loop. Okay, so the loop is really a simple. What you have to do, you simply write the set. For example, this is a set of fruits. You will write for x in set. The for loop syntax, I hope you have mastered it, because we have used it a lot of times. So here I am writing for x in this set. Now x is representing a single element in a set, and it will display that element. Okay, so another thing, in function and not in function, this is also applicable in the set. If I want to check a particular atom is present in the set, I will write print banana in this set. It means that if banana is present in the inside that set, it will print true, otherwise it will be printing false. So similarly there will be a not in function. Okay, so how to add atom in a set? Adding atom, once a set is created, you can't change its atom, but you can add new atom. Okay, remember, we can't change previous atom, previous data we can't change, but we can add new data using add method. Which method? Add method. Okay, if I want to add a single atom, remember, single atom, one atom in a set, I will use add method. For example, there is a fruit, three fruits. I want to add orange. I will write this set dot add. Add method used to add data in the set. Remember, okay? Like in list, we use append method. Like list, we use append method. Here we are using add method to add a single element in a set. To add sets, for example, I want to add two sets to each other. Okay, for example, there are two sets. You can keep in mind, like if you know about algebra, you know about geometry. Okay, about mathematics, you have learned sets. Okay, union, intersection, and difference of set and everything. This set is similar, this set is same to that mathematical set. Okay, so we can perform different operation on the set. For example, we can add two set. For example, this set is the first set creating some fruits, and another set tropical, this is having other three fruits. Okay, if I want to add a set to another set, I will write this set. For example, I want to extend first set by adding the element of second set to it. What I will do, I will write this set dot update, means do some updation in this set. What update? Add tropical, means add all element of tropical set to this set. Okay, so to add any iterable, it means that if I want to add any list to the set, I can add using update method. Simple. I have a set of some fruits, then I want to add another list using list. Okay, you can say this is list because it have round brackets. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply update and I will add that. Okay, now how to remove set item? Removal of set item is also really simple. What you can do, you can do two of the method for removing elements from set and one method to delete the set. So what are the two methods? First one is remove, second one is discard method. Okay, so the remove is used to remove an element from list, from set. I will write, for example, this is a set, I want to remove banana from it and I want to change it later, so I will write this set dot remove banana. And other method is discard method. What is different between discard method and the last method like remove method? The main difference is that both are used to remove an element, but discard method will not raise an error if there is nothing present in a set. Means that if banana is not in set and I'm writing this set dot remove banana, so it will give me error. But if I want to not have any error in my program, I want to make my program error free, so what I will do, I will be preferring discard function because it will not give me any error. So removing an item can also be done using pop method. Okay, you can also use pop method to remove the item, but this method will remove the last item. Okay, remember the sets are unordered, so you will not know what atom gets removed. Okay, because we have no order in that set. So it is not necessary always that cherry means that last atom will be removed be the cherry, because there is no order that which one is last atom. So pop will be removing any element, okay, means random element that will be the last element. So next is to completely delete a set. Like we have learned how to delete a dictionary, simply we can use del method to delete a set. If I will write del this set, it will completely remove that data structure from my memory, okay. So if I will printing, it will give an error that this set is not found.